Hi, I'm Godzilla here, and here I have a tutorial video for you. Here's how to make your own chewing gum. Here we go. For this, you'll want green Play-Doh and some foil, tin foil, whatever it's called. Open the Play-Doh and take a little bit of it. Oh, you don't need to take a little bit, just take some. Alright, and then put it up, and then press down on it, and flatten it. Now, take a coin once it is flattened, and cut it into a rectangle. You can also use a knife or anything for this, but coins work just fine. Now, take your rectangle. If I can take your rectangle and come on, just get unstuck, you've gotta be. Now, take your rectangle you have and place it inside of the foil. Now, fold the foil over your rectangle. And now you have gum. Perfect for, chewing. Also be careful because if you fry this over paper, the Play-Doh will probably get stuck to it. Oh man. Warning, this video is a joke. Do not attempt this. And if you do, please note that you may get sick if you are allergic to wheat. Play-Doh is non-toxic, but it does contain wheat. Thank you.